Kurganet-25 is a new Russian infantry fighting vehicle. Sometimes this vehicle is simply referred as Kurganets. In 2011, Russian Ministry of Defense issued a requirement for a successor of the BMP-3 that becomes outdated. It was planned that Kurganet-25 will replace the aging BMP-1 and BMP-2 infantry fighting vehicles in service with the Russian Army. This new generation infantry fighting vehicle has little in common with the BMP-3. The Kurganets-25 was developed from scratch. Some drawbacks of the BMP-3, such as a cramped crew compartment and cramped exit, were fixed. It has been reported that a number of components and subsystems are interchangeable with the Bumerang armored personnel carrier. Kurganets-25 infantry fighting vehicle has a welded hull and turret. Its armor is made of special aluminum alloy. Vehicle has modular armor with add-on armor modules. So protection level can be tailored to counter specific threats or to suit mission requirements. Vehicle has a double hull floor for improved protection against mine blasts. The Kurganets-25 is planned to be equipped with the newly developed DROZ-2 active protection system, or the new Afghanet active protection system, which is currently under development. It appears that the Kurganets-25 comes with a newly developed countermeasures system, which reduces the chance of being hit by enemy anti-tank guided weapon with semi-automatic guidance. This may be a more streamlined version of the Shtora, used on the T-90 main battle tank. Vehicle is fitted with NBC protection system. Kurganets-25 has a remotely controlled weapon station. It is armed with a 30mm cannon. This cannon has an effective range of up to 4 kilometers. Vehicle carries a total of 500 rounds for the cannon, including 160 armor-piercing and 340 high-explosive fragmentation rounds. There is also a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and 4 Kornet M anti-tank guided missile launchers. Missiles have a maximum range of 8 to 10 kilometers and can also target helicopters. In terms of firepower, the new infantry fighting vehicle loses to the previous BMP-3. The 100mm cannon of the BMP-3 was deleted in order to save dimensions and weight. The same new turret is also used on the Bumerang APC and Armata heavy infantry fighting vehicle. Vehicle has a new fire control system. The system automatically searches for targets in passive and active modes. Vehicle also has a thermal imager. The Kurganets-25 is operated by a crew of 3, including commander, gunner and driver. It can carry 7 soldiers. Troops enter and leave the vehicle via rear doors. Also there are roof hatches for firing and emergency exit. This new generation infantry fighting vehicle is powered by a diesel engine. 2 engine alternatives are available. These are 17-liter CHTZ Uraltrack 2V06 opposite engine, developing 450 to 510 horsepower, or YAMZ 780 inline engine with 2 turbochargers, developing 750 horsepower. Engine is mounted at the front of the hull. It is mated to a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Vehicle has a hydropneumatic suspension with variable ground clearance. The Kurganets-25 is fully amphibious. On water it is propelled by 2 water jets, mounted at the rear. It has been reported that this vehicle uses new amphibious propulsion technology and has speed on water of 10 km per hour. It is worth noting that add-on armor blocks provide additional buoyancy and stability on water. Thank you for watching our video.